Hey guys, welcome to Final Tech, and today we will be using ChatGPT for some kids educations. Okay, so today we will see how we can create some questions for kids, kind of repetitive question, or you can say similar kind of question for practice purpose for your kids, right? So we will take today class 3 questions and for mathematics, and then we will see how we can create some similar kind of questions. What happens sometimes parents do not have much time to create some uh, number of questions for their kids for practice purpose. So we can use, so parents can use ChatGPT for that purpose. They can generate some similar kind of question from ChatGPT, and then they can provide that all question for practice to their kids, right? So let's see how we can create or how we can use ChatGPT for practices and for our kids. Okay, so let's take class 3 mathematics example for product, right? So suppose there is a questions like person A and person B, let's keep it caps, person B together gives, or you can say donates 290, we can keep RS 290 to a fund. Okay, person no, let's take this might be a question for subtraction, so we can do a kind of subtraction as well. So let's continue it, Control Z, right, Control Y. Okay, person A donates RS 100. Okay, how much money person B donated? Okay, now this is a question, right? This is a proper question, right? This is question of subtraction. We will try one question for product as well. Okay, so just bear with us and please be in this video till last. Okay, so now how we will be using ChatGPT to generate similar kind of question. We will put this prompt, generate generate 10 similar kind of question as above. Okay, now let's see, press enter, and let's certainly there are 10 similar questions. Person X and person Y together donates Rs 500 to a charity. Person X donates Rs 175. How much does person Y donate? So you can see there are 10 questions, similar kind of questions. In place of X and Y, if you put some name, right, so the name will be random name will be chosen by the system. Okay, this all the question of subtraction. You can give this all the question to their kids for practices. Let's say one for product. Okay, so let's say person A goes to buy a pen to a shop. One pen costs Rs 12. How much person A will have to pay for buying 9 pens? Okay, this is the questions. Now we will write generate 10 similar kind of question as above. Okay, now write and press enter. Now see, all the 10 questions are in front of you. Now you can give all this question to practice to your kids. Now person X buy a notebook from a store. One notebook costs Rs 25. How much will person X have to pay for buying 7 notebooks? Person M goes to a bookstore. One book costs Rs 15. How much will person M need to pay for 12 books? Like this, all the questions are for product, and this is the product question. This is the subtraction question. So 10 questions for each part are ready, so you can give these all the questions to your kids for practicing. This is how you can use ChatGPT for your kids for practicing in mathematics, right? So please like my video, and please subscribe the channel if you like this video, and I will try to get some time and put more effort on ChatGPT to come up with another kind of video. Thank you so much for being with us. Have a nice day. Bye bye.